In this video I'm going to show you how to cut around an image in LightBurn. Now you'll notice that when you bring in an image, and this is a PNG image, that it creates a layer up here, and you can notice that the mode is set to image, so you can't change this to a fill or a line or anything like that. So in order to get this image here to not only engrave the butterfly but cut around it as well, we just need to make some changes to it. So what I'm going to do first is right click on the butterfly and come down and select Trace Image. Okay, now you get this pop-up appear, and what I'm going to do is click on Fade Image here so we can better see the outline, and that's what we're after. We're after this nice outline here. Now you can make changes to this to make it better for you if it comes out a little wonky or something like that. There's all sorts of little options here. You've got cutoff, threshold, smoothness and so on. All these things you can play with. You can just zoom in using your mouse there and just make it better for you. But I'm just going to go with it, and I'm going to click on OK. Now you'll notice when you've done that, you get this new layer appear here, and it's a line layer. And if I hide the image itself, we'll come up here and just hide it so we can better see what this line looks like. And you can see there, it's come out pretty well. So it's done a trace of it, and we've got all the outline now, which is what we want. But we've also got all these lines in the middle here, which we don't really want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the shape, and I'm going to right click and ungroup, and then click away, and then I'm going to click on the outer line. So I'm just going to select the outer line there, and I'm going to change the color on it. So I'm just going to make it a red. Doesn't matter what you make it really. And there you go, that's appeared here now. Now we want to get rid of the middle of this butterfly, all these other bits. So, and they appear on this line here. So what I'm going to do is actually hide my red line, the outer line, by clicking on the option here, the show option. And now we're just left with the bits we want to go. So now we just need to delete those lines. So you can do that in one of two ways. You can just highlight everything like that and click the delete button on your keyboard. Or you can just come up to the layer, this one here, this is all those bits there are on this layer, and you can click on the trash can. And we'll go yes, we're sure we want to delete them, yep, and they're gone. So then you can come back and show each of the shapes here. So I'm going to click on the line one, and there's our outline, so that's going to cut because it's set to line there. And this one now is our butterfly, and that's going to engrave. So that's all there is to it. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.